So guys, the crypto markets were pumping like crazy yesterday, pretty much with the talks about Trump speaking at the Digital Crypto Summit today, the FOMC data that came out yesterday, and the price action around Bitcoin and Ethereum. Today, we're starting to see a little bit of pullback in the markets based off of these events. And right now, a lot of people are leverage trading, longing and shorting the market and making crazy amounts of money, anywhere from 100 to 200 to 800 X's on their investments. And this is where you can pretty much tie into the day-to-day events and start leverage trading and making money on a day-to-day basis as a day trader. Now, it is not all fun and giggles. It does take time to learn this stuff, but I have some recent videos talking about the ins and outs of when I first got started. And today I want to talk to you guys about pretty much getting into this before we see the crazy rips in the market. Right now, there's a lot of fluctuations based off of the news events, where liquidity is shifting, how everyone thinks all coins are about to get the liquidity that they need, and the price action that we're currently seeing around Bitcoin and Ethereum. And as a result, a lot of people are leverage trading, either betting that either the market's going to go up or it's going to go down. And as a result, you can make a crazy amount of money if you position yourself correctly and you keep up with these indicators, patterns, and pretty much just understand exactly where we are heading. Right now, we're seeing a lot of pullback. So a lot of people have been shorting the market. I also have been shorting the market today. I was talking to my brothers earlier today when I was longing the market, and then now I'm shorting. And this is where you can pretty much position yourself with a leverage trading account. I'm using WEEX. This is the leverage trading platform that I'm currently using. I have an affiliate code in the description. If you guys use my affiliate code, I will get a sign up bonus. And there's also a whole bunch of bonuses that you can get whenever you just verify your email, verify your ID. You can get up to $80 in free money. So overall, click that affiliate link and get started with that. But overall, once you get started, then you can start to play around with the leverage. I do not recommend going beyond anywhere from 10 to 25x leverage unless you have an understanding of what you're doing. You can make a lot of money really quick, but you can also lose money very fast. So I don't want you guys to get, all caught up in all the hype and everything that's going on. But whenever the markets move back into full bull zone and ever liquidity moves back into a few of these assets, you can play around with coins like Doge and Desync, all these low cap coins, and high cap like Doge as well, and a Bitcoin and a few others, and potentially either long or short the market based off of the sentiment and everything that's going on. From there, you want to learn more information like indicators, trend lines, specific trading tactics and strategies, and I would love to give you guys all that. But in today's video, I'm more just giving you guys my perspective on what I think you should be doing in order to make some additional income in the markets and how you can take advantage of the day-to-day sentiment. Markets change, sentiment changes, but if you can learn how to play these charts, do the day-to-day, whenever we start to see crazy wicks, either whenever the market is dipping down, you can bet against the market short and make some crazy money, or whenever we start to see liquidity move back, you can start to long the market and long specific assets. You can, if you don't want that much volatility, of course you can jump into more assets like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, but then you can look into other coins like Doge and Desync and Brett and a whole bunch of other coins that are on these platforms. But this is where you need to go set up your trading account, get started, fund the account. If you fund the account with around $100 to $200, they'll give you $100 in free money. And like how I said, if you verify your email as well as overall your ID and a few others, you can get up to $80 in free money just to test out the platform and see exactly what's going on. But that is currently what is going on. There's a whole bunch of news events that are currently taking place, price action and liquidity shifting, and as a result, people are leverage trading, making a good amount of money. And this is where you can start to venture into different parts of crypto investing. If you look at my YouTube channel, guys, I keep you guys updated with the day-to-day events, the price action on Bitcoin, Ethereum, indicators, the sentiment in the markets, and all coins you need to focus on. And I just got started with leverage trading about a month ago, and I'm starting to actually get the reps around it, and it's getting really crazy. But this is where I want you to look into a new venture, understand exactly how the platform works, get that free money that they are giving you, and then play around with it, play around with the leverage. Like how I said, I do not want you guys going higher than 10 to 20x leverage, and this video isn't a direct step-by-step tutorial. It's more just telling you how people are making money right now while the markets are going up and going down. But if you guys want a full in-depth marketing or leverage trading strategy, that is my strategy, by all means, drop me a comment, like, subscribe, let me know what you guys think of my content, and let me know if you guys want to see that video. I pretty much am an intermediate trader when it comes to leverage trading, so I just want to give you guys my experience with it, why I think you should join into it, and how people are printing money while the markets are crashing down, and also also whenever they're going up. But let me know what you guys think about leverage trading. Let me know if you guys signed up. Let me know exactly if you've already experienced leverage trading and if you guys have any questions. But if you're new to the channel, go ahead and check out the rest of my content. I'm an intermediate trader documenting my journey since the beginning of 2023. Not like the rest of these crypto influencers, YouTubers. I show you guys the day-to-day, how sentiment changes, and then new ventures that you should take advantage of, like leverage trading. Now, at the end of the day, this is not financial advice by any means, and I want you guys to take it one step at a time. Get that free money that I talked about after signing up with my link. And if you have any questions, hit me up on X and we'll discuss and see exactly where you're at. But I drop day-to-day content, so stay tuned. A whole bunch of different things going on with Trump speaking at the digital summit, the FOMC, and liquidity injections, and more than likely altcoin season happening at the beginning of April. We're gonna see though. Stay tuned, and we're gonna see how it changes. Catch you next one. Peace.